Now we'll see the important operator called as a comparison operator, which is very important, especially when you're trying to check the conditions, like when two variables are trying to compare some text or trying to compare some numbers that are expected with special comparison operators. The different comparisons operators we have is equal to operators, or operator, not equal to operator, less than the less than operator, greater than, or less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So these are the different kinds of comparison operators that we have, and that will be used when you are working, especially writing some complex programs, or the basic programs with your business logic. So this will be very much used, and we need to know how we use in Perl. Either you can use equal to operator, or normal EQ, not equal to, or NE, greater than, less than, and sys. Let's see one program with comparison operator and try to execute it and how it works. So here I'm taking two variables. One is called as x, it's 20, and y is equals to 20. And here I'm trying to check the conditions. If x is equals to y, print both are equal, print both are not equal. So let's see how it works. So let me compare this comp.pl. See, it says like both are not equal. Now what I'll try to do here is I'll try to update this, and now let's see it has been told like both are equal. I'm trying to check the string, and so I'll try something as a string. Let's see what happens here. See, both are equal, and I will try to write one. See, both are equal, so that means you have to, when you try to use this here, you can see the both are not equal. Whenever you're working with it's always better to use, when you're working with the strings, so it's always better to use equal to operator, and when you're working with numerical values, it's always better to use this equal to operator. Okay, and let's try if equal to operator works for both. It should work for both. Okay, so let me check this condition here. Okay, yes, and I will try to update this and check it. Yes, both are not equal, so it should work. So especially for the when you're working with the strings, it's better to use equal to operator, then, so that it will compare the two strings, and it can compare both string values, and it can compare both and numeric values. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll be coming up with more and more videos. Have a great day.